Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problems in exercise 14.1. Problem 5. The problem is, in a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. So this is the given data. Number of boxes and number of mangoes and number of boxes are given. Then find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? So here these are all the given datas. Okay. So here number of boxes. Okay, in 15 boxes the number of mangoes are from 50 to 52. Similarly, here we have 110 boxes and again the number of mangoes range is 53 to 55. Right. So here we need to find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. So we have to select our own method. So when you look at the tabulation carefully, here you see there is an interval gap, that is 50 to 52. And here it starts from 53, not from 52. So what the thing we are going to do is, just we are going to do a small change in the upper row. Right. So here the first step is, you see 52, this is the thing which is given in the problem. Okay, I had written it using blue color. 50 to 52, 53 to 55 and 56 to 58 likewise. So here what I am going to do is, here I am going to subtract 0.5 from this number and I am going to add 0.5 to this number. So when I subtract 0.5 from 50, what happens? The answer is 49.5. Similarly, when I add 0.5 to 52, it becomes 52.5. Again you see, from this 53 I am going to remove 0.5. So this number becomes 52.5 and again here this number becomes 55.5. Similarly here also, when I remove 0.5, that is when I reduce 0.5 from 56, here the number is 55.5 and here I am adding therefore 58.5. Similarly here 59, when you remove 0.5 from it, it becomes 58.5 and here I am adding, therefore it becomes 61.5. And here it is 62, so when I remove 0.5, this becomes 61.5 and here I am adding, therefore it becomes 64.5. So now when you look at this tabulation, you see these two numbers are same, right? Here it is ending at 52.5, here the range starts at 52.5. Similarly here also, okay, these two numbers are same, these two are same and these two are same. So this is our primary step to proceed. Now the number of boxes are given, so as we know this is our F5. Here we are using step deviation method, right? Even you can use assumed mean method, but here I go for step deviation method. So the next thing is Xi. So here in this case, as we all know, Xi is nothing but taking average of these ranges. Now you have to consider only these things, right? That is 49.5 to 52.5, 52.5 to 55.5 likewise. So here while finding average, what we are going to do, you see here I have done it. I have added those two numbers and I am dividing by 2 because I have two numbers at the top, therefore divided by 2. So here the answer is 51. Similarly, when you consider the next term, here it is 52.5 plus 55.5 by 2. So here the answer is 54. And similarly, in the same way, I have proceeded for the remaining 3 terms. Right. So now here in the table, just I had listed out the answers. So this is our Xi. Now the next thing is, as per the formula, again, since we are following this method, I already told you, you can come from the formula. That is, so here this is our formula. So we need to know what is A, what is H and what is this Ui. Right. So Ui is nothing but Ui is equal to x minus A by H. So here what is x? sorry, this is xi minus a by h. So here it is di is nothing but xi minus a. So you see we have totally 5 numbers. So I am selecting the middle one as a. So here the value of a is 57. So dA is equal to xi minus a. So initially we have 51, right? So 51 minus 57 gives you minus 6. Similarly 54 minus 57 minus 3. And 57 minus 57 becomes 0. 60 minus 57 is 3 and 63 minus 57 is 6. So therefore we have completed di. Now the next thing is finding ui. So ui is nothing but this xi minus a by h. So here what is the value of h here? H is nothing but here the difference between these two values. That is when you subtract 49.5 from 52.5. Right. So here the thing is, so here the value of h is, you see I have subtracted these two values. So here the answer is 3. So this is our h. So here ui is nothing but xi minus a by h. We know the value of xi minus a and the value of h is 3. So here the value of h is 3 and here the value of a is 57. Now finally we are going to find out fi into ui. Right, here we can do, right, minus 6 by 3, minus 3 by 3, 0 by 3, 3 by 3 and 6 by 3. Next thing is fi into ui. Here I know the value of fi and this is our ui. So 15 into minus 2 is minus 30. Similarly 110 into minus 1 is minus 110. Likewise 135 into 0 is 0 and 115 into 1 is 115 and 25 into 2 is 50. So now we are going to find the summation of fi ui. So here I am adding these two terms with a minus sign. So minus 110 minus 30 becomes minus 140. And here 115 plus 50 becomes plus 165. So when you subtract 165 minus 140, the answer is plus 25. Now here summation of fi, when you add all these terms, this gives the answer as 400. Now by step deviation method, the formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi ui by summation of fi into h. So here the value of a is 57, h is 3 and the summation is 25 and fi is 400. So 25 into 3 is 75 and when you cancel 75 and 400, that results in 3 by 16. So 3 by 16 gives 0.1875. So I am approximating it as 0.19. Now when you add 57 and 0.19, here the answer is 57.19. So this is the value of mean number of mangoes which are kept in the packing boxes. So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.